Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So based on the previous video I shared on how to make cake slice, you guys told me that you wanted how to make chocolate frosting, even though I asked you guys. Okay, so yeah, it is guys, and I want you all to sit down and pay attention to this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video on how to make chocolate whipped cream frosting. So sit down, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I feel like I have explained before how to make whipped cream, stabilized whipped cream here on my channel. So you might want to go down my channel, scroll down and check how to make whipping cream. Okay, so this video is all about how to make chocolate whipped cream. You guys saw the cold water that I used for this particular chocolate whipped cream frosting. So make sure that the first tip you need to understand is your cold water has to be cold. You can as well use liquid milk, you can use water, whichever one is better, fine. Okay, so I use cold water for this particular recipe, and in this video you guys are gonna see how stiff it turned out to be. So after I've added water, I need to give it a quick mix, right? So make sure that even if you're using a standing mixer or you're using a hand mixer, you need to whip it on a high speed. That's one thing with whipping cream. You whip on a high speed. Okay, so as you can see this particular whipping cream here, you see how stiff and stabilized it is. The thing is, I try to whip it first before I add any other ingredients. Okay, so make sure that you whip it stiff until it's creamy enough. You can see how stiff it is. It's not shifting, like it's not melting, it's not falling off my spatula. It's just there. If you know me too well, you could tell that this is the kind of thing I do. Like, I sell whipping cake a lot. So it's time to add my chocolate ganache. I think I have a video on how to make chocolate ganache. I'm going to link it up somewhere in this video. So for this particular chocolate whipping cream, the thing is, if you want it to be too dark, then you need to add cocoa powder, because no matter how much quantity of chocolate ganache that you add into your whipping cream to make it a chocolate whipping cream, it will not be too dark like that. So if you want it too dark, you can as well add some cocoa powder. But for me, I did not add cocoa powder because I just don't want to add it. And again, the thing you guys need to understand about chocolate whipping cream is, when you make chocolate whipping cream, it will give you that light shade effect. And then before it to now, if you want it to turn darker, just leave it, probably in the freezer for maybe a lot of hours. It will now change color to dark. So because I know all these things, I just decided not to be adding cocoa powder to my chocolate whipping cream. You get. So I only added chocolate ganache, right? You can as well add some, melted chocolate, because what makes it chocolate whipping cream frosting is if you add chocolate ganache or melted dark chocolate. So you can see the texture of my whipping cream is creamy, it's fluffy, like it's so perfect. It's not melting, it's stable enough. Can you see, guys? It's very stable. And I'm going to drop the recipe on the description of this video, so just check it out. One tip I would love to share is, you need to minimize the liquid you're using. If you're using cold water, cold milk, if it is too much, it's going to make your whipping cream light. For instance, if you're doing 100 gram of whipping cream and you went to go and maybe you're probably going to add 1 cup of water or 1 cup of milk, trust me, your whipping cream is going to be very light. So you need to understand the way the time you mix it. Like I said, if it's 100 gram you're mixing and then you want to go and mix it for like 3 minutes, it's going to be very light. So for 100 gram, you can mix for like maybe 1 minute and 30 seconds, or maximum 2 minutes, depending on the brand you are using. If you are doing 200 gram, then you have to increase the minutes you get. So don't get it twisted. The lower the quantity, the lower the minutes. The higher the quantity, the higher the minutes. So let me just put it that way, okay? So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this point, please do wait to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, drop a nice comment. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, okay? So I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Please do wait to share this video to your different cake platforms so that others can benefit from this channel, okay? So I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. You all should stay happy and stay blessed. Bye guys.